My name is Stuart. I'm the production manager of the wood carver in Jamaica. Today, we're going to show you how we're going to turn a tree into a bowl. First, you got to find a tree like this. We cut the tree. After we cut the tree, we cut a block of wood, mahogany, just like this. We use a compass to get it round, to follow that line there, to get it round the measurement that we want. Are 12 inches across. Next, I put on the goggles, and then next we do this. To get it round, to follow this line here. And next, we put the chuck on and the block of wood. And then we drill it on. After getting the chuck on that block of wood, then it go over to the lathe. Half an hour later, looking like this. The chuck base, stamped, then we turn it around and get the middle out. The next part now we take the center out. Where the chuck is, we take that off and we take the middle out. Next we sand it with the sander. Okay, after rough sanding, now we're ready to finish it. We use a shaving from the lathe tool to burnish the 90% finished bowl to make it 100%. Now it's ready to carve. This is the pattern that we put onto it, and the next step is oil.
Okay.
Yeah, go put that pattern. No, but that's why we miss one out. And this is the final product.
Hi, I'm Michelle Rollins, Chairman of Rose Hall Developments, and some time ago Ambassador Brenda Johnson asked me to help with Prince Charles and the program for Rosetown to regenerate that city in Kingston. From that program we developed a way for artisans to continue to make a livelihood. So we developed 10 potters in Rosetown, we developed 10 carvers on Rose Hall, and it is now the Rose Hall Artisans Program. And all of the proceeds go to the 10 carvers. Well, we had corporate sponsorship ourselves for the first 2 years. The goal is to create a brand product that we would be happy to see in any home in London, New York, over the world, and someone would walk in and say, I've seen that, that's Jamaican. So let me introduce you to some of our carvers.
My name is Howie Griffiths. I'm from the SOS Children's Village, and I'm a gilder. Well, I'm not a good carver as the rest, but I sure do good at gilding.
I'm doing this over 20 years now. I do a little furniture work, I do a little carpenter work, but I have enjoyed doing this more. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sheldon. I'm 32 years old and I've been doing sculpture since I was like 15. I'm like the third generation working on Rose Hall property. I do like eagles, fish, bowls.
Michelle came along and decided to start a program. Michelle Rollins, she didn't know that I was so good at the lathe until she saw me working, you know. And then I decided to keep this program going so we can get better for everybody.
I was born in Rosehall and grew there, you know. And all my days I was doing wood carving. And then Rollins come along to improve our talent and also the works, you know.
The wood we use are the best and the finishing perfect.